Cars travel on snow-covered roads. Multiple screens monitor road and traffic conditions.
Currently stuck on I-70.
It's been 18 hours I've been on the road.
This has been the most epic snowstorm experience I've ever had.
TEX, Traffic Incident Management, TIM, before and after the storm. Colorado Department of Transportation, Division of Maintenance and Operations. Colorado TIM Track.
Incident response within the Traffic Incident Management Program is really a collaboration of activities between partner agencies and responding agencies on how we work together during an incident response. As different agencies, we have different priorities. So working to train together to identify how those priorities work together, it actually makes us work faster.
TIM training is critical because state troopers are always out there right up against traffic. Our goal is to isolate those firefighters and EMS personnel so they can get their job done.
A tow truck pulls a car off of the concrete barrier. Cars sit on Interstate 70 during a blizzard.
We've got a spring storm. Sounds like the priority right now is life safety. We've got some people stuck in cars that have been out there for quite a while. Everybody, 5 o'clock start, they're hitting the road. Be prepared to spend the day, maybe have to stay out for the night.
So right now we're out on I-70. We're behind a little road blockage because we've had a couple feet of snow here on the Genesee Ridge, and CDOT's out working their heart out, trying to keep the road open so we can get it open.
Our big thing is get that truck out of the way. Once we got him out of the way, we can start pulling these cars and getting them up there. So we need to go find them and get them to a safe place. We'll look for any cars off the road, anything like that. We want to make sure we clear vehicles out of the roadway so we can get our heavy equipment in, plows, and open the roadways back up. They had 2 jackknife trucks and 6 or 8 cars all stuck, but clearing the 251, that way when we get to the next section, the highway's clear. Well, hopefully you'll be able to just take your time, don't spin your tires, be gentle. Once you get up over the hill, it should be good to get into Denver. No one really has all the tools or toys to fix every problem, so we have to work together. Whether we're working with state patrol, local fire, EMS, even tow companies, we're out there to help each other get in there, do our job safely, and move on. We enjoy helping people. You get out there, do the right thing. When somebody's having their worst day, we want to be there to make it better.
Snow falls on an evergreen forest. Text Colorado Department of Transportation. We do more than you think. Join the team.